What a beautiful day. I'm going to grab my bike, skip the check, and just get out there. Here I go. Whee! Oh no, something's wrong with my bike. I should have checked it.
Before biking, always check your bike for safety. Conduct an ABC quick check. It only takes 15 seconds once you get the hang of it. Let's take a closer look. Step 1. A stands for air in the tires. Tires should be firm. If not, grab a pump and inflate air into them. Follow the recommended pressure as shown on the sidewall of the tire. This one reads 40 to 65 psi. Less pressure can work well for lighter people. More pressure is better for heavier people or more aggressive riding. The pressure recommendation as shown on the sidewall of your tire should correspond with the gauge on your pump. Proper tire pressure will allow you to safely drive your bicycle, and it's going to let you go way faster. Woohoo! Front brake engage! Step 2. B stands for brakes. Brakes are going to allow you to control your speed on descents and stop when necessary. Maine state law mandates that your bicycle have functional brakes. Many bikes have brakes operated by levers on the handlebars. Quickly inspect rim brakes to make sure that the brake pad contacts the metal surface of the rim only and not the tire. Other bikes have coaster brakes, which operate by pedaling backwards on the pedals. Make sure that the brake arm is securely attached to the chainstay with a nut and bolt. Test your brakes in a flat area and make sure that they work correctly before traveling anywhere. Step 3. C stands for crank and chain. Take a quick look at the bicycle's drivetrain and make sure it's working correctly. Make sure your chain isn't sagging like this one. If it is, then think to yourself, ooh, that's an evil grin. This chain is up to no good. You should have a chain that's taut, whether your bike has gears or is a single-speed bike. Uncared for chains will corrode, operate noisily, and could break, causing you to crash. Chains should be kept lightly lubricated. You can always use something like olive oil if you don't have anything else available. But a dedicated bicycle lube, which you can get at your friendly local bicycle shop, is going to do a much better job. It's going to last longer, and it's going to protect your chain better than any other product you might find. Make sure that the moving parts in your drivetrain, the cranks, derailleurs, gears, any other parts that might be present on your bike, are snug. If you find a problem, fix it or find someone that can help you fix it. Step 4. Q stands for quick, as in quick release. Never spin a quick release like a wing nut. It doesn't work correctly that way. When it's open, you'll see the words open clearly printed on it. That's a danger sign. Don't ride your bike if you can read the word open. To correctly close a quick release lever, swing the lever halfway where resistance should be felt. Then firmly push it the rest of the way. Now, read the word close. Your quick release has been used correctly. Quick releases are used to hold wheels on the bikes and are sometimes used to securely fasten the seat and seat post to the frame. Whether your bike has quick releases or not, it's good to also use the quick part of this check to quickly go over the whole bike and make sure that there's nothing else wrong with it. Pick up your bike a few inches and drop it. Did you hear a weird rattling sound? Could it have been a kickstand or something else that might come loose and cause you to crash? If so, fix it. This is also a good time to check the steering mechanism on your bike. Hold the front wheel between your legs, grab the handlebars securely, and twist. You should not be able to turn the handlebars independently of the front wheel. Check the wheels and make sure they're tight. If you find any problem with your bike during the ABC Quick Check, make sure to fix it first before traveling anywhere. Fix it yourself, find a neighbor or a friend or family member that can help you, or visit your local bicycle shop. Don't let a mechanical failure ruin your ride. Always check air, brakes, chain. Do a quick all-over check. Remember those quick releases if your bike has them. I'm Bicycle Eric, signing off.